As of the 27th of November 2021, the Sandbox is trading at $6.70, with the price change of 2% in the last hour. Sandbox has a total market cap of $20 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $5 billion. This makes Sand rank at 38 in the cryptocurrency market. If you are a crypto investor and wondering what is the Sandbox price prediction for end of 2021, what will Sand be worth in 2022? Is Sandbox a good investment or worth buying in 2025? Will Sand price surpass its all-time high? These are our Sandbox price predictions for Sand's future. So, let's begin. To add some perspective, the Sandbox was worth $23 million on January 1st, $548 million on March 29th, $747 on October 27th, and over $4 billion today. The apparent dilemma for investors is whether the Sandbox price will continue to move higher in the long term or collapse in the short term. The answer could be both. Digital assets also incorporate the NFT sector. Non-fungible assets are beginning to grow mainstream now. Venture capitalists and behemoths are continuing to pour money into NFT firms, with $90 million invested till March 2021. These businesses received $35 million in funding last year. And even when the entire crypto space went through a massive correction this year, the NFT trading volume tripled. According to the data, users purchased, bought, and sold an average of 85,787 NFTs with a total value of $5.8 million every day, despite the market catastrophe. With an average of 21,815 NFT sales per day, this is a 277% increase over January. One such emerging NFT token that has hands-on uplifting the popularity of NFTs in the Sandbox token. The token is currently trading at $3 with a market cap of $220 million at the time of writing. The Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world created by Pixel that allows users to create, build, purchase, and sell digital goods in the manner of a game. The Sandbox makes use of blockchain technology to create the Sand utility token, which helps with platform transactions. Hence, if you're considering investing in Sandbox token, knowing what others say might help you. This article will provide you with an overview of the Sandbox token price forecast for 2021 and beyond. The aim is to help you decide whether Sandbox token is a good investment. What is Sandbox? In a nutshell, the Sandbox is a video game that allows players to design their worlds. Since 2012, the Sandbox has been accessible on iOS and Android devices. Further, it was featured in Apple's App Store Best of 2012 in the Hidden Gem category. Animoca Brands purchased the game in 2018. The Sandbox platform was created by Animoca Brands and has voxel-style graphics similar to those used in popular games like Roblox and Minecraft. Moreover, Sandbox is taken to a whole new level by the blockchain-based protocol. It allows users to create their virtual worlds and economies. The Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for a healthy gaming community by combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organizations with non-fungible tokens. According to the official white paper, the Sandbox platform's main goal is to successfully incorporate blockchain technology into popular gaming. The platform's primary goal is to facilitate a creative play-to-earn approach that allows users to be both producers and gamers at the same time. Through the use of non-fungible tokens and blockchain technology, players in the Sandbox now have complete control over how they monetize their digital environment. The Ethereum blockchain, an immutable public ledger, keeps accurate records of all transactions. The Sandbox platform is built on Ethereum, giving it the security and strength of the second-largest blockchain. The Sandbox allows players to create games collaboratively and freely throughout the globe, without the need for centralized control. With decentralized finance, this could be a new way to make a passive income. How does Sandbox work? The Sandbox is a one-of-a-kind platform that brings blockchain technology to the world of gaming. When it comes to the adoption of blockchain technology, the gaming sector represents a massive unexplored opportunity. As Pixel discovered in 2011, the Sandbox intends to change the market by establishing a universe in which gamers may develop and gather blockchain-based goods. It carves out a space for itself in the worldwide gaming sector, The Sandbox generates a metaverse of involved players that contribute to the platform's further development by focusing on user-generated content. Furthermore, the Sandbox fosters decentralized governance by introducing the Sand token, which allows users to submit their thoughts and ideas regarding the project's progress. Decentralized governance is becoming a must-have in blockchain-based projects as technology evolves. The company got off to a fast start, attracting support and investments from a slew of big names in the gaming industry. Atari, Helix, and CryptoKitties are among them. What is Sandbox token? The Sandbox ecosystem's utility token is known as Sand. It's a way to pay for in-game experiences, rent lands from other players, and buy that item in the marketplace. The native Sand token is based on the Ethereum blockchain and is an ERC20 token. Sand tokens can also be used in governance, giving token holders the ability to vote on updates. Users can also delegate their Sand tokens to another player so that they can vote on their behalf. The total supply of Sand tokens is capped at 3 billion. Approximately 680,266,194 Sand tokens are currently in circulation, accounting for 23% of the total amount available as of March 2021. Through 3 phases of a liquidity mining program, Sand has been introduced into circulation. Users who provided a ESA-ND, ETH pair on Uniswap were rewarded with Sand tokens in the first phase, which began in September 2020. The Sandbox introduced a yield multiplier based on the amount of land ownership a user has during the second phase. These rewards were carried over to Phase 3, with 1.5 million Sand tokens added to the rewards pool for February 2021. Price analysis of Sandbox token. Review of Sandbox token price in 2020 and earlier. The Sand token is not even a year old and its performance has been commendable. When it was introduced in the market, it had a trading price of 5 cents, and that went on to become 31 cents today. Sand token has been listed on leading trading platforms since it was one of the Binance Launchpad projects, as previously announced. According to CMC statistics, Sand token was listed in August 2020 for 5 cents, and it has since been in a neutral trend. Sand coin will make headlines in 2021 following a 265% increase in less than 3 months, with an all-time ROI of 1,000%. Factors affecting the price of Sandbox token. The Sandbox is a digital metaverse filled with limitless possibilities. From a development standpoint, products can be as simple or complicated as desired, and no blockchain programming abilities are required. Users can utilize the Sandbox to generate in-game components using VoxEdit and develop virtual worlds, games, and economies with GameMaker. These can then be sold for profit.